Oh my God, what a wonderful tutorial. I'm willing to give you head as a token of gratitude. Now, there's perks of the job, I'm telling you. Happy New Year to one and all, and I'm going to set off your new year with some real laughs from some of the best, funniest comments that we've had on our videos this year, all right? Now, before I do, I just want to say thank you for all of your support, whether you are one of our customers or one of our YouTube viewers, or you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, you know, wherever. It's really important for me to say thanks. It's because of you guys that we have made leaps and bounds this year in what we've achieved. So firstly, we have achieved this here. We've gone past 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is no easy thing to do these days, I can tell you. So, you know, thanks for that. Our book here, our complete guide to photography book, became #2 in the best-selling photography equipment books on Amazon. Now that is something that's unheard of. We are self-publishers here. We've not got any big publishing company or anything like that. So to get to #2 in the best-selling list on Amazon is absolutely special. So thank you so much for that. We have produced and released a professional long exposure landscape course, which is now available for sale on our website. You know, that's selling really well. We've got a pro Photoshop course that we've produced and made, and again, that is selling really well. These things are not easy to create, right? I can't tell you how much time and effort we put into these things for you guys, right? So that you learn properly. They are very high quality, and I know this sounds like a sales pitch, and it probably is, right? But I'm just trying to tell you what we've achieved, because it really was an achievement to bring out those 2 pro-end courses this year. I have also employed 2 new members of staff because we are expanding. We've moved office as well, and we have got some really big things planned for this year. So make sure that you are on board with us throughout the rest of this year so that you can see what's coming. So thanks again, because it really is down to you that all this has happened. You know, all of our YouTube followers, social media followers, Facebook, Instagrams, our customers, you know, all of you are part of our learning community, and it's you lot that drive us forward to create better YouTube videos, more courses, and, you know, and bring you a better learning experience. Okay, so let's have a laugh at some of these comments. They are brilliant. You know, 99% of the world are genuine, nice, normal people, but that 1%, well, they really make you laugh, all right? Let's have a look at some of them. Here's one from Chip Whiteley here, and it says, "There is no way that this guy is not a serial killer." Now, just to let you all know, I've only been locked up once, and I'm back on the straight and narrow, okay? Here's another one. "Well, let's open our video with the most annoying scratching and squealing noise possible. Then you look like you're too drunk to even stand." Let's just put this into perspective. That was a bagpipe player in Scotland, and I didn't even have a drink that day. So there you go. As a diabetic, I had to stop watching this video because the sugar overload was too much, and I was afraid I was going to go into a coma. Very good, I like that one. Here's a great one from the Biker 99. "The conclusion of this video, I couldn't understand any shit, cuz." Oh, is that cuz or cos? Don't know what that is, but cuz your accent is weird. Because I come from London, and wherever you come from in the world, you're going to have an accent, and I suppose it's going to be weird to someone, especially someone who is called the Biker 99. So there you go, mate. Man, educate yourself properly before you try to educate other people. Well, I think you better write a letter to the British government there, because I do have a degree and a postgraduate degree in education, all signed off by the British government, so maybe it's them you need to speak to. Here's one here. "Is that Ronnie O'Sullivan?" No, it isn't, but I wouldn't mind being 10 quid behind him, I can tell you that much. And here's another one. "You look like Mark Ruffalo," in capital letters, all right? You know, I've had that a few times now, and I don't think I look like him at all, but there you go, some people do. This one is a blinder, right? It's on the video that we've done called The Worst Photographers You Know, right? Which is a funny video. I think it's a funny video. So do most people else actually, but this is great. How many people laughed at this? Not me, and I've got a good sense of humour. I watch the IT Crowd, Monty Python and all sorts of funny stuff, so I know what I'm talking about. That is brilliant, that's one of my favourites.
He's not the Messiah, he's a very naughty boy. Now go away!
Here's another one here, a little bit rude. 82mm ring size, you big boy, ha ha. Great video, got me subbed. Oh, there you go. This is the internet for you. You can say what you want pretty much. This one is from Bruce Maddox and it quite simply says CanonW. And here is my all-time favourite one of the year, and it goes like this. Oh my God, what a wonderful tutorial. I'm willing to give you head as a token of gratitude. Now, there's perks of the job, I'm telling you. All right. And that's it, guys. I mean, there you go. It made us laugh in the office, so hopefully it's made you laugh as well. If you haven't done so already, make sure you've subscribed to our channel or check us out over at theschoolofphotography.com. Check out our online courses. Buy the book if you haven't done so already. You will really enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Have a brilliant new year and I'll see you in the next video. It's much more funnier when we say it in the office here, isn't it? Buy the book if you haven't done so, you would really enjoy it. Now that'll go on a blooper, that one there. It won't fall over in your house.